In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you connect to QuickBooks and how our integration works with QuickBooks. So first thing you do is you go to Settings, and then you go to Integrations. You scroll down until you find Accounting, and we integrate with two things in accounting. Okay, we integrate with QuickBooks and Zoho Books. So click on QuickBooks Online. You see the QuickBooks logo, connect. Okay, and now you got yourself connected. You can see it here. It says connected. What you want to do is you want to click on Auto Sync Daily if you want all your invoices to sync daily without any intervention from the user. So we'd like to click that if you like. Now next you're going to go to Invoices. Let's create a new invoice. Okay, and we're going to just add a new invoice here. And I'm going to hit Save. Now, if the automatic sync was on, this is going to sync automatically at the end of your day. However, you can also come in and manually do that. You go to Actions, you come in here, and you say Sync to QuickBooks Online. Click that. It's going to take a second. And now it says Sync to QuickBooks Online, and it will give you the invoice number on QuickBooks. So